Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So, first of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So, this is the homepage as you can see, and welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers, whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel. System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, we can focus on what really matters: growing your business. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So first of all, we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, and we have here build a websites, manage your affiliate story, and we have create online courses here, automate your marketing. And if we scroll down, we have also here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. Course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners, and that's it. You have your save at least $320 per month. We have here how it works. Funnel builder starts at $97 per month, $20 per month, $99 per month of online course builder, and affiliate program we have starts at $97 per month, and video hosting we have starts at $7 per month. If we scroll down, we will find here become an affiliate. So you click over it, and then you will find this page, over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have earned $60 lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or courses. Strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to referrals. Open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. Then if we scroll down, you'll find here how to get started as an affiliate. The first step, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. The second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you'll need to create content about System.io. Then the last step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then if we scroll down, you'll find here the definition of System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online businesses. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. We have here System.io free plan, earn 60% lifetime recurring commissions. So to become an affiliate, all you have to do is just go to this page. After you sign up, you'll find here the dashboard here, and first of all we have here upgrade. About this one, you have here 4 packages. You choose the one you want. About the first one, it's for free, as you can see. Have your contacts, sell funnels here, blogs, courses, automation rules, workflows, tags, email campaigns, click upsells, order bumps, tests, coupon codes, custom domains, evergreen webinars, marketplace, communities, variant per pro, and that's it for this one. Then we have here start top, you have to pay $27 per month, and webinar you have to pay $47 per month. Then we have unlimited, you have to pay $97 per month. Then we have here payment gateways. So you have here the options how you can get paid. You can use Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, and we have Razorpay, Flutterwave, Mali, GoCardless, Paystack, Shindy, Secure and Pay, and Cash on Delivery also. Then to create a product, all you have to do is click over products, then you click over physical products, and then you click over create. So you write your name here. In the description, you can just copy it and paste it here by using ChatGPT or Perplexity. Then we have here SKU, product, tax, currency, price. Also, you can choose it as you want. Then we have weight here, and also inventory, stock limit value, shipping also, and we have here media. You can just download the photo on canva.com, then upload it here. Then about options, we have here this product has options such as size or color. You can just write your option name, option value. You can also add another option. Then you click over save. About products, also we have here courses. You can just add a new course and you write your name, your timing here, and your path here. Also you select the one you want, then you click over save. And then also you can create a sales funnels. You can just click over create and you write your name, your funnel domain here, and you choose your funnel goals, for example with an audience, sell, custom, run out of evergreen webinar, and also here we have currency. Then you click over save. And this is how you can create a product or how you can create a sales funnels in Systeme.io. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system and questions. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models and can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So this is how it works with Systeme.io, and you can just get started right now as soon as possible. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.